Welcome to 2018, everybody. First video of the year, and it's a wig review. This is my girl, Cassie. Hey, guys. You'll be seeing her face a lot more on my channel, so make sure to hit that like button for us doing this video. So I ordered a bunch of wigs, 4 to be exact, off of the Wish app. And I just wanted to do kind of like a first impression and kind of a, what's the word? Expectation versus reality. Because some of these wigs are not up to expectation. So let's just jump right in. We're just going to grab the wigs and just try them on. And we'll see how it goes. Here's the 4 bags. Bam. So we're just going to pick, and we're both going to try one on and see what happens. Pick a bag.
You know something I don't know?
Dang it. So I've already opened these bags because I wanted to see which ones I got, you know, because they all come at different times. And this one is the one I was hoping I didn't get.
You want to switch?
No.
Okay.
Alright, here goes.
Cotton candy.
So this is what is in my bag. And go ahead.
This is what's in my bag.
And I'll pop up pictures of what it's supposed to look like or what it looked like on the site and what made me purchase it. Alright, you ready?
Okay, yeah.
Do you need a ponytail or something?
No.
Okay. This one is horrible.
Oh no!
So
wait a minute. Wait, can I have hit it with the iron or something?
Alright, hold on. I'm trying to put the little...
That's right. You're missing out. Get up here. Yes, girl.
Picture apart, honey. Alright. Okay.
You look like Annie. Okay. Gosh, can you comb these out a little? You look like
Alright.
Annie and Grandma stage.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me tell you why I got this wig. First of all, I'm just going to put a picture right here over her face of what it's supposed to look like. And this is nowhere near what the picture looked like. When I pulled this out of the bag, I just was like, what? What in the world?
You could have like fixed it a little bit, get some sticker, but volume. There we go.
This is this beautiful wig.
You know what you look like? The butlers. Especially your part. It's really defined. Now this.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll put a picture over my face of what this is actually supposed to look like. This is actually making me very hot. This is horrible. Wish you're letting me down.
Yeah. I could do
Alright,
that.
next.
So. Oh, this is the
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh. Go on.
Hey. Another fishnet wig cap.
Alright.
Because that's what kind of wig cap
Now
you
they
need.
look like they hit this with an iron for real. It looks real nice and flat.
Yeah, it's real pretty. We'll see what it looks like on.
This is a Nicki Minaj wig.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, there's the part. These are all synthetic, by the way. Hope you knew that. But in the app. You ready?
Why are you looking at the parts?
I don't know. I was trying to see, like, if I
Lines?
can make something actually work for it. Ooh.
Oh. Uh-oh. The part's it's too far over.
No, it's supposed to be like that, ain't it?
Wait,
on
like
the
this?
side?
Desiree, you look like a washed up mermaid.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait, maybe it's supposed to be like
does it. This is too much hair for me. And then they got the nerve to give you a Mickey Mouse hair tie. We on a Disneyland or to the BET Awards?
Wait, what are you doing?
Can you see it? Oh, it's gone. Let me flip this real quick.
Okay, first of all, oh my gosh, this wig, like, it's like, no matter how far back I push it, the hair just keeps going like this.
Now, if I had to actually go out in public and I had to wear a wig,
Yeah,
this would be the wig.
that would be the one.
Yeah, I could.
You just throw a little, dry shampoo in there. It'll mat it up, so it won't look so shiny.
Hey, I don't mind the shine. Maybe I'll catch something with this. They're like, hey, girl. Hey. That's actually the color of cotton candy. I'm gonna call you Cotton. Hey, Cotton.
Cotton.
I think with my hair hanging, actually makes it look better. It's better than that.
Yeah, it's true. That's
Like
way
somebody
better.
got in the markers and went over there.
Try to bleach it out.
Oh, yeah.
You just real shiny. You just, I can catch you in the night. Like, there she goes. Shiny top. She just shining.
Hitting the corner.
Oh my gosh, like Patricia says, shining, shining. This is way too much hair.
What?
Like, I don't understand. Like, why do you see how it's, why? What is this? Why does it do that?
I actually feel like that one, out of all of them, looked more natural.
The ombre, right? Is it the ombre?
No, I think how it
That's
falls.
really?
Yeah.
I feel like it's just.
And this one. This one compared to the one I tried on earlier. Well,
You gotta take your hair down.
I don't know about. Oh, no. Whoa. I don't know about with this.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now you ready?
Now
you ready? That's actually cute with that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so because it hides this whatever color this is.
Yeah, but it'd be a mess if this happened to fall off one day.
Well, don't be whipping your
Oh,
hair.
I guess
now.
it does.
No, that's
It
cute.
doesn't look bad. Okay. We could spruce it up a little
That's
bit.
real cute. Let me go get my hat. Bye.
Talking background.
No.
Yeah. A lot better. I think we need to try them on all on back with hats.
Okay. We'll do that.
I could do this.
Yeah,
Definitely.
that's actually really cute.
It blends in with my shirt.
I think it actually this color looks good on you because your skin tone. I feel like on me, I think it'll wash me out.
I think we should switch wigs too.
Swap?
Yeah.
Let's swap. Bam. This is what I look like in this color.
I still don't think it looks bad. I actually I like this color. Mine.
Mm-hmm.
Why does my part look off? Is it twisted?
No, that's just how it looks.
Got a jacked
All right.
up part.
You know what I look like?
Soccer mom?
I look like one of the girls from White Chicks.
Yeah, I guess you do. I look like Cardi B.
You do?
Joking.
Not with that hair color, not hat.
Hey.
Ooh, it's just something about the way these fall. It just feels unnatural to me. But I haven't had long hair. I just haven't had long hair in so long. Maybe it's just how hair falls naturally.
It does.
Really?
Yeah. You
Oh, but I have
it
a
in.
cowlick. So it usually doesn't fall like that. It usually goes bloop.
Really? No.
Mine never falls like
Sorry.
in my face. So should we try the other ones on?
Yeah, I actually like so far these 2 wigs with hats.
Yeah.
Outside of the hats being there, yeah, they can burn in the fireplace.
Okay. Let's try these. Actually matches my hair color. Seems someone went.
It's natural bedhead.
Yeah. I woke up like this.
Like 2 clips to go right here.
Exactly.
Oh, this is the curl.
I promise you, once I need to pull up. Actually, let me hold on. Time out. Hold on a second. What? Okay, well, I'll have to pull it up in my email because it's not showing me on there. But that wig?
I would actually, you know what, the best thing, I would comb it out. These curls is a little too defined to me. Need some volume.
Hold on, let me turn it, make sure it's right.
Oh my gosh, I just messed it up even more. You know, okay. No,
What?
Not appropriate for that.
This is a family channel.
Family. That's like an oversized black Q-tip.
Oh my goodness. Alright.
It's okay.
I feel like my face is like, I don't know. If I had some like big hoop earrings.
You would be on point.
Yes.
Yeah.
That would be cute. Alright. So. Wish you let me down. You didn't fulfill my wishes.
As soon as you said they came from Wish,
You just
yes, there was doubt there in my head.
Fulfilled your doubt, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, well, this is the video. These are the wigs.
Over and out.
So, just for future knowledge, don't buy wigs from Wish. No matter how broke you are. Just save your pennies. Save your pennies and buy a real wig from a legit site. Human hair, preferably. Unless you want to just, do like this and wear a hat. But then you might end up with a wig like that. Curly Sue in the building.
Look at the curls, though. That's just how tight they are. They put a bunch of, hold.
Something. This one at least has a little bit of, I don't know, texture.
Snaps. Snappy texture. She's like a skateboarder.
Yes.
That just doesn't brush their hair.
Is that right? No, that's surfers. I don't know what skateboarders do. That's I love you.
Oh. They give a thumbs up?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Alright.
Peace out. Alright. Thanks, girl.
No problem.
Alright, so if you like this video or anything like videos like this, hit that like button. Subscribe down below. Leave me comments letting me know what other types of videos you want to see, whatever content. If you like me doing these types of videos where it's try on, first impressions, I'll be doing more expectation versus reality for things that I've bought and it just didn't turn out that well. So if you like that, hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we're starting?
Why are you whispering?
We're starting. And action. I actually prefer this over the wig. Wait, you know those things that those celebrities wear? You know what I'm talking about?
No.
They're a little thicker. They're a little
There's
thicker.
a hole just for your nose right there.
Oh, perfect. No. I'm just joking.
Looks like a fishnet, though. I can use this for mermaid tutorials. Perfect. I didn't have one of those. You know you want my hair?
Whoa. Whoa, watch out. Watch out. Like the ring.
Oh my gosh.
Go
you
with
look like
the eyebrow line.
You like Cousin It.
Cousin It. Wait, It? The
Isn't
movie?
that his name? Cousin It? From the Addams Family?
Oh, yeah.
He's all his hair and he just...
Okay.
To get out of here. We're on the run. We are on the run.
Well, we did a darn good job at it, though.
I know. Ain't nobody gonna see us. Fugitives.
Two young ladies left their children behind. Possibly could be wearing wish wigs. Easy to spot.